Hey guys, this is Lynn from Pepper Peas. Today I have a different haul. I did some thrift shopping and I ended up going to Hobby Lobby and I ended up going to HomeGoods as well. Although my desire to purchase things from HomeGoods, I only got one little thing. But I ended up doing some thrift shopping this weekend because, as you know, we can always find paper somewhere all the time. But I decided I wanted to do a little thrift shopping so I could see what type of different little finds I might be able to just hop up and find, come up with. So let me start off with, this is HomeGoods. I found this little golden book of Wicked at HomeGoods for $3.50. Now, I just went ahead and picked it up so I could have it in my little stash, but I thought it was adorable. So now I'm going to cover some of the items that I got from thrift shopping. Y'all, I found this Sears and Roebuck company. Let me show you the inside of it. This little catalog. At first, when I was walking by it, I was like, I'm not a fan sometimes. I started looking at some of the stuff and I'm like, okay, it's a circus. I'm gonna walk all by. But I came back and I was like, let me grab that. Glad I found this. Here's something else that's a little weird that I liked. The Great TV Sitcom Book. Interesting. This covers sitcoms from, 1949 all the way up to 1983. Okay? Some of the things I saw in here, and what got my attention was like this. When I opened it up and I saw that it was categorized by the years, I said, okay, this is interesting. Gomer Pyle. I used to watch Gomer Pyle as a child. Gilligan's Island. There's certain things that I used to look at when I was a kid. And I said to myself, yep, this is a good little find right here. Now, if you would have asked me today, Laverne and Shirley, I used to watch Laverne and Shirley, left, right, coming and going. If you were to ask me right now, how do I plan to harvest this book or what do I intend to do? I don't know, but I'm going to use it at some point in time. Look at this. Taxi. Like it. All right, so that's a good one I found. I found this Art and Architecture Tuscany. One of the reasons I like this book, when I open it, naturally, look at all the beautiful imagery. This is what drew my attention. For all I know, let me go back to it. Is it I'm not certain if it's no, it's not a tour guide book. It was issued by Barnes & Noble in New York at some point in time. But as I flip through this book, there are so many beautiful pictures. Love it. When I say I love it, look at it. Love it. Okay? I found this guide to London museums and galleries. Black and white. I just like it. I love it. I like the pictures, the font. Just like all of it. Just love it. Okay? Another thing I found, this little bitty pocket map. When I say little, maybe 3 by 5. Maybe 3 by 5. Like it. Cute. Okay. Few other things I found. This was so interesting to me. This was so interesting to me. I was like, okie dokie. This just looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it's a notepad. Do you see this? So interesting. So interesting. Has a decent little weight to it. Love it. See, these are certain things you just can't, you're just not going to find them just, plopping around in the, regular store sometimes, right? You can always order them online, but, it's fun sometimes just to go on a scavenger hunt, right? For me it is, okay? I found, guys, Dick and Jane. Fun with Dick and Jane. Found that one. Dr. Seuss, ABC. Charles Dickens, Oliver Twist. I was like, oh my goodness, look at the illustration in here. Oh my word. Dad of all trades playing cards. Y'all, let me show you how these things look. This is what it says on the back. This is how it looks on the front. I thought these were cute and adorable, so I grabbed them. I found these cute little stamps that I can use to make some ephemera. But then I found film. I don't know what's on here. I have to look at it, but I thought this, I said, okay, I can use this, whether I'm doing collage or I'm doing some layering. I found these Chico's note cards. Now, let me show you the note cards. Okay. Blank on the inside, but look at the cards. Is this not gorgeous? Wait a minute, there's some others. Let me just pull it all out so we can see it all. All right. So that was that one that I showed you. And here is its envelope. Here is this one. This is pretty. Look at that. Matching envelope. Okay, hold on. And let me tell you something about these envelopes too. These envelopes they're thick. They're very thick. Okay. Here is another Chico's card. I didn't even know Chico's made cards back then. Okay. Nice. Here's its its envelope, I'm sorry. And hold on. Here is its card. Maybe you knew, but I didn't. This is nice. And then here is its envelope. Okay? So I asked for my thrifting items. Those are the things that I found. Sit all these to the side. Now, when I went to Hobby Lobby, I found these really cute push pins, but they're flowers. Last time they almost look like brads, but these are flowers. $2.99. You know where the children have their journals? $1.49. Okay? Hold on. It may have maybe 50, 60 pages in it. Really good cover. Originally $4.99. Okay. One more thing I have to backtrack on. While I was thrifting, I happened to come across a close to my heart stamp. Is this not adorable? Oh my goodness, it's cute. Okay. While in Hobby Lobby, I found this bookmark and clip set. The llamas are on here. This was 69 cents. Cute. I came across this mesh ribbon. I got this because I like the colors in it and I can use it to do some layering. This was $2.49. There's 10 yards on here. I can get a lot of good usage out of this. They had these really cute pouches. This was 44 cents. I only got one. I only needed one for me. This is what really just stopped me. Here is an envelope, 32 cents. I grabbed it. It was cute. Okay? And to go along with the notebook that I showed you, I got this little sticky note set, $1.12. Is that not adorable? Now, honestly, while I was in the thrift stores too, I came across this paper. You know that little paper scraps? I got all the stuff I'm about to show you. I think it was maybe $2, maybe. I don't even know what all is in here. Okay, that's cute. Okay. All of it's not for me, but guess what? At some point in time, if I decide, it's not something that I want to use, I can always back it. Oh, cute. I can always back it. I can always do something else with it, There are multiple sets of this in here. I probably got 3 or 4 of these little sets of this in here. And all of this was $5. That's a cute one. Don't necessarily have to use this for Christmas. Or the snowflakes, Okay, there's only 4 sheets in here, so obviously it's a thrift store. Some stuff has been used. It's okay. But here's another thing I like about this too. Oh, here's another sheet. Oh, here are the other 2 sheets. I'm sorry. So this little pack had 6 in it. It's 2 sheets in the back. Here's one, and here's the other. There's this large piece of chipboard in here I can use, right? So everyone, that for the most part is going to conclude my little fun haul. I just wanted to show you guys and, kind of reiterate to everybody that I love shopping on Temu and everywhere else too. But sometimes there still is, beauty in going to some of our thrift stores. What do they say all the time? One man's trash is another man's treasure. And I am very careful about what I pick up. I'll be honest, I am. But at the same time, it's always fun to just go and see what you might be able to find. Everyone, that's going to conclude my haul. Well, I can show you this, but it's some of the same stuff. See? Little kid stuff. Like I said, same little things. Hold on. Blank. Just color pages. Not much to it, okay? So, officially, everyone, that is going to conclude my haul for this evening. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peace. I hope that you had a fabulous weekend. I trust that you are off to a good start this week. I ask that you subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me. And as I have started saying and sincerely meaning, be good to yourself in the meantime. Take care.